I have a Honeywell HZ221 and have hot air blowing out of one zone when it says cooling on the thermostat. The other zone is cool.
Where in your home is your Honeywell thermostat installed? How old is it?
Master bedroom. 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Since last night. I have changed the air filter and reset the entire system.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of. Hello?
Hello, my name is Billy. Please disregard computer-generated phone calls offers as those are not from me. If you have cooling in one area, it means the cooling function is working. But maybe a damper is not opening. Can you check for the damper location and whether it is open for me?
The second zone is heating. The thermo says cooling but hot air is coming out. I believe it to be an input issue into the control board. It is performing as instructed, but it is getting the wrong instructions. I think the thermostat is the issue, but I'm not sure.
Okay, but this is a regular, one furnace and central AC? With one zone control panel?
2-zone system. Downstairs is fine. Upstairs is a sauna. 1 furnace, 1 acre. I have 3 duct systems. 2 have the dampeners daisy chain, the third is independent. The third servers the second floor and is pushing out hot air.
Okay, the duct. Even though it is zoned, it still carries the same exact air as all the rest of the duct. The difference is whether the furnace is heating. Or the AC is cooling. I assume the furnace is not heating. Or heat would be in all ducts. The 3 zones share a common trunk and simply have dampers that open like a floor register to that zone. So is the bottom zone cooling properly and the outdoor unit is running? Is it possible for you to get me temps from the registers?
Your assumptions are correct. Please define registers. I am not a HVAC tech. I have done some research, but my technical expertise is elsewhere.
Just like the grills or registers in the room where air comes out. These are adjustable or can be closed. Like those, there is a damper door built into the duct that when the proper thermostat asks for operation, they slowly open and let air access the duct run. Think of it as irrigation. It is the same water. Just gets supplied to another zone.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.